All right, Jason, you got a choice of cars to drive.
Traction control, definitely off.
Yep.
Auto start stop, definitely don't need that on there.
Get her nice and clean.
That's right.
Get out spit polish.
This is my true job, actually. I wipe cars out on the back.
Well, at least you do something.
That's right.
Good morning, you guys. It is bright and early, 7:30 a.m., which means only one thing, cars and coffee. This is the first one for me. Jason, where are we going?
We're going to Aston Martin Newport Beach.
And well, we're gonna roll in deep with obviously some Aston Martin. So we have Jason's Vantage.
Wait, why are you going there? Hey, this is more of a event.
And we have this, this beautiful V12 manual Vantage. That's right, V12 manual. Take that, Murcielago. Does this one actually run? Got the swan doors. Beautiful. Look at this, you guys. Boom. I see a little Murcielago resemblance in here. First of all, it's manual, which we've already discussed. However, the e-brake is also in the same place. You guys, just like a Mercy. You know what I love about Aston Martins? They legit suit Jason's personality. I almost picture him in his car sipping tea right now and listening to like news radio. Quiet, calm, collected. Unlike Lamborghini, which is everything the opposite, screaming loud and sideways. All right, this must be the place. All right, we're here at the Aston Martin Newport Beach Cars and Coffee, and I feel like they really rolled out the red carpet for us. Let's check it out. Like legit. We have the red carpet and everything. Look at this, you guys. This is crazy. What a backdrop. The DDE fam is coming out strong. Check out the merch. Check out the merch. Check out the merch game. Look at the merch game. Look at more merch. More merch than I have on right now. I think we're 50-50, aren't we? And pretty much everything I see is sold out. You gotta move quick, you guys. You gotta move quick. All right, y'all. Got some DDE fans with an Urus that said that I can drive this later. Oh, holy, look at the... It's just so white in there. This is a twin turbo V8. Of course I knew that. How much power does it make?
I think 610 horsepower.
No way.
It's crazy in here.
Can we actually go off-roading in it?
Yeah.
That's not a company! Yeah!
I'm not trying to get grounded by my parents yet. I just got my permit. I'm not trying to get grounded yet.
I'm gonna need a permission letter from your parents to drive this vehicle. Yo, you guys, I found Chris, who was in an episode not too long ago after buying his very first supercar.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna show you a little bit of upgrades I did to the car.
Let's have a look at Skinny's World R8. Wow. I like the gold. I have shoes that match that. So what color scheme do you have here? What's the name?
Satin black.
Yeah.
And then the chrome gold on the side.
This is the Batmobile. The true homie in the V8. It's a great first supercar. You go from this, after this, the next step is an Aventador SV like this one right here. Oh yeah. That's next, okay? Dude, this car's sick.
Thank you.
How happy with it?
I love it. Definitely gonna keep it. It's gonna stay in the family forever. It's a dream come true. It's fun.
Dude.
This car is so fun to drive.
Congratulations, I love it.
Thank you.
Guys, check out the Vanquish shooting brake. We saw this car when we were at Monterey. Seeing it again in person definitely is unique and special.
It's different. I love the back, how it comes off.
Yeah.
At the end of it. It's all carbon fiber.
Oh, it's all carbon.
Even in the back.
And it comes with, well, I'm sure it's optional, luggage that fits back there.
True.
Hi, what do you think of this car?
It's amazing.
There's only 99 of these, right? 99? Jason, 99 of these, right? Is this one yours?
No, that one's not. This one is.
Yeah, you sort of convertible actually.
Hey, what is that supposed to mean?
Everything I just said.
Because I have this.
You do have that. That hairpiece looks amazing on you.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're a big Aston guy. Tell me all the specs on this car. Go.
Well, it's a two-door coupe, 5.9 liter V12 with 580 horsepower.
You're really knowledgeable. Oh wait. You cheated. You're an Aston Martin guy.
Oh, yeah.
And I respect that about you.
Thank you.
And the truth is, the more I see these cars and hearing more about them, I'm super intrigued and like legit like the tingling in my fingers is happening on the company credit card. Now, this is a very special car.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
What do you know about this car? What is it?
I know that's called the Valhalla.
Joey from Aston Martin Newport Beach showing us the exclusive behind the scenes unveiling for the first time ever.
In Orange County.
The first time in Orange County and the first time on DDE, I think. I mean, if Damon filmed it, I haven't seen the video because, of course, I wasn't in it. Give us the rundown on this car.
It is one of 3 of Aston Martin's supercar, hypercar collections. Mid-engine, so it is a twin-turbo V6 in the rear, a P4 electric motor powering the front 2 wheels, combined 1,000 brake horsepower, absolute missile.
So this one here right now is like a prototype.
Correct.
Clay model?
Clay model. So wrapped with all the carbon and everything, but underneath it's clay. So this is actually the car that was used in the James Bond film. So Daniel Craig was sitting in that seat right there.
This is the on-screen car from the last James Bond movie.
Exactly. Actually, coming up, James Bond movie.
Oh, so it hasn't been out yet?
Correct.
Man, I gotta start watching movies again. This needs to be a DDE car. Imagine the DDE wrap on this.
That's what we're saying.
Camouflage, because you guys love camo. Yeah, we're gonna do this, Jason. Jason's getting pushy. We're gonna do some test driving for Jason's first supercar. So this is legit all like pretend.
Very simple though.
But here's the thing. Look how beautiful it is in here. Look at the seats. Look at the steering wheel.
You're sitting on the floor. Literally sitting on the ground.
Look at the pedals. Let's take a minute, you guys, and let's really explore the lines on this car in a sexy DDE slow-mo. All right, Jason, you got a choice of cars to drive. Do you want green or blue?
Go with intense blue.
You call it intense blue?
Yeah, it's very intense.
Intense like camping?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sad and lonely.
I'm obsessed with these, man. And I love that nobody has them.
There you go, Jason. Look at that smile.
I'm not smiling at all.
You're smiling, you're happy, it's okay. Let's get the tech specs.
Oh, I know the tech specs. Come on. 503 horsepower.
Wrong.
It's twin turbo.
Wrong?
Wrong.
505 horsepower.
It says 503 on the other one.
503 pound-feet of torque.
Ah!
Twin turbo V8, Mercedes-AMG V8, quad exhaust. It is an absolute rocket ship.
Transmission, some are very strange.
Oh yeah.
Can you show us? I was shocked, you guys. I was literally like this.
Near perfect 50-50 weight distribution. 49.8% and 50.2%. Gearbox sits back here.
In there?
Right here. This is the entire gearbox itself. Front engine, but it's mid-mounted. So it sits very close to the steering wheel. That's why there's no passenger glove compartment.
You're in, get your seatbelt on. Let's make sure that all the fun buttons are pressed.
Traction control, definitely off.
Yep.
Auto start stop, definitely don't need that on there. Sport mode.
Where's
on
sport
this
mode?
card is
Right there,
so
S. All right, oh, you hear that? We're in
Oh,
sport
it opens
plus.
the opens the
The
exhaust.
valves and the exhaust open. Now it's a little bit like a blah, 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 blah.
Is that what it sounds like?
Blah,
does
blah,
sound
blah,
like
blah, blah, blah. My first impressions as a passenger is the cockpit feels roomy. The quality is beautiful. The stitching's nice.
All
you have room
hand
for
stitched.
luggage. Is it hand stitched?
Oh yeah, it's all hand stitch.
Wow. You need to get this car.
I do need to get this car.
You guys, before he drives it, before he does anything, leave a comment below. Sir Jason, the man in black, John Wick himself, who works, honestly, you work so hard at PFS every day, like literally on it. If I text Jason at 11 o'clock at night, he's responsive. He does deserve this car. Leave a comment below. What are your guys' thoughts? Should Jason get this Vantage? Oh, it sounds great. So happy he is. All right, Jason, first mod when you get the car.
We have to wrap it, right? I want to do something more wild. We'll drop it, do coilovers, lightweight wheels and tires. But what do you think about something different on the exhaust?
Like what?
Like side exit.
Oh, yes! Like a Viper.
Side exit exhaust in here shooting flames.
Oh my god, it'd be amazing. Jason's being so calm and tame in that car. He's so respectful. That's why I love Jason. All right, sir, what are your thoughts?
I need it.
You need it?
Oh my God. I'm speechless. I love it.
You look good in it.
And the doors go up too.
The best part, you guys, the reality of all cars, you find the car that you love that speaks to you for you and nobody else. Dude, when I was 22 in my Type R, I was the happiest person in the world.
Oh yeah.
So really, like, find the car that you love. Jason loves this car. This is the car for you. I can tell by the way you're looking at it. And there's every other Lamborghini or Ferrari out here, so this is definitely you.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm gonna buy this to replace the R8 and throw it in Jason's face. Trying to close deals for you here. Trying to close them.
Making my life easier.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Dude, it was nuts.
Dude, that's a fun driver, huh?
You know what it is? It was intense like the color. Intense blue. The car was intense to drive. Yeah, dad jokes, just like Damon. Dad jokes, okay?
So you get to drive a car today, I'm just a passenger.
Yep.
I think I actually get a turn to drive something.
Today's your day, Dave.
What do I get to drive?
You're making that work. New DBS.
Really?
Yeah. DBS is a little bit bigger of a car. It's actually a 2+2, so it technically has a rear seat in it. It's a V12, so I get the twin turbo V8, but you get the V12. Gorgeous, gorgeous cars.
Is it rear wheel drive?
Rear wheel drive.
I'm gonna slide it. I'm gonna be the drift king.
No,
I'm gonna slide every corner. Slide every corner every day. All right, Jason had his turn. I want a better car than Jason though. More expensive car than Jason. A longer car than Jason. More cylinders than Jason. He has hair, I don't, so he has the advantage.
This is the 2019 Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. It is a twin turbo V12, 715 horsepower, 664 pound-feet of torque. Absolute rocket ship.
All right, guys, my first time driving any Aston Martin, actually.
Really?
This is the way to do it, though. The DBS Superleggera, which means Superleggera means super light.
Correct.
I know Lamborghini uses that for the Superleggera Gallardo, so this means really light. So
it just means super light. Aston Martin's. This is Aston Martin's extremely powerful, extremely lightweight, relatively lightweight vehicle. So it just pays respect to.
what transmission does it have?
8-speed ZF.
Single clutch.
Single clutch.
First pull. The thing is, right away, it's so smooth, the power delivery. That's that big V12.
Oh yeah.
And the challenge with new cars is that they're so fast, it's easy to speed. Obviously, we're in a test drive, we're not going to break the speed limit. It's so fast.
Yeah.
It's so smooth. This car is very luxurious. Like, I can smell the leather, everything feels tight and well thought out. It's a beautiful car. Aston had a really big revamp in their brand a few years ago. And they really changed how they're doing some of the things. Is this one of those cars, like almost like a halo car for the brand?
Yeah, exactly. And so really our three models right now are the Vantage, the DB11, and this DBS Superleggera.
What's up? Oh, it's a test drive. He's a sales guy, he's not gonna like that. Let's do this, yeah! Go, get it, get it, get it! It's so torquey that like you literally, there's no spin up to it, there's no rev up to it, it literally is just there right away. It just keeps pulling.
It doesn't want to stop going.
This car literally wants to break the law. Alright guys, we traded seats so we can show you guys some of the epic interior of this car. The first thing you'll notice is all the forged carbon. Here on the bezel, all of the doors, absolutely beautiful. Look at the stitching on the roof, all those details. And in the back, look at those back seats, you guys. Legit beautiful. Obviously, all of your infotainment system is here, and this is a Mercedes infotainment system?
Correct.
But Germany meets Britain, make things happen, a true ally.
It's a great car. It's a great all-around car, and it's just super fun, well-balanced, and a ton of power.
These McLaren guys ripping around. There's another one. Look at all these McLarens. Only in Newport Beach do you see 3 McLarens ripping around each other. All right, you guys, that concludes the test drive portion of today's vlog. I'm impressed. And as you guys know, not much impresses me. However, this is about Jason today. I'm from Daily Driven Exotics. What's up, dude? Say hi to the vlog. I'm trying to close a deal here right now.
That's so cool.
Want to buy him a car?
Yeah, go ahead.
You can sign for me, right?
So Jason, obviously, what do you think of Vantage? Like, come on.
Wow.
Have you ever driven that car before?
Drove it one time when it first came out. It was their first car you guys got a year ago, but we drove it up the street, came back, super mellow. But this time, we're really gonna drive it up and around the coast, so it's nuts, dude.
Let's not play games here, Jason. Right now, Jason, leave with that car. What's it gonna cost him? What's he need to do?
Put 5K down.
And?
Car's yours.
I'm gonna let Jason think it over. No pressure on him. I was told I get a free jacket if I close a deal, and I really want that jacket. Even though it's really hot outside right now, I just want free stuff. However, that's it for this episode of Daily Doing Exotics. Smash the subscribe button. If you need some merch, and I think you do, shop dido.com. Thanks again to Aston Martin of Newport Beach for your time. Joey, take us out in the car. You guys come buy a car, tell them DDE sent you, so I get even more free jackets. Peace. Close it.